Good morning, everybody. How is going on? My name is Sam. I'm a local private car taxi driver in Cambodia. Yeah. Every day I work in Phnom Penh and Siem Reap City for Angkor Wat. Are you looking a driver in Cambodia? Please contact me. I'm still available in Phnom Penh and Siem Reap. Please contact me or ask me about more information. Please check with me for your trip in Cambodia. Quite easy for the transport from Phnom Penh to Siem Reap and Siem Reap to Phnom Penh. Okay, see you one day in Cambodia. Let's check in my website. Quite easy. Just go to www.anchorbasdriver.org.